Did you know? The air transport industry generates 31.9 million jobs globally. Aviation carries over 44 million tons of freight annually. 25% of all companies' sales are dependent on air transport. Air shipment of electronics has increased 80% since 1993, accounting for $948 billion in products. Air shipment of pharmaceuticals has increased 11% annually since 1993. From 2001 to 2006, trade between China and the U.S. increased just over $100 billion to over $350 billion. Aircraft entering today's fleets are 70% more fuel efficient than they were 40 years ago. World merchandise exports have risen from $157 billion in 1963 to $10.159 trillion in 2005. 47% of companies say they need to pay more attention to risk mitigation in their global supply chains. Success in today's global economy is driven by investing in new solutions that minimize costs, reduce risks, and deliver results. Airis has invented just such a solution in the areas of manufacturing and shipping. This global air logistics park employs the closed-loop manufacturing module. The development maximizes the capacity of your existing airport by combining assembly, distribution, and air cargo facilities within a single on-airport economic processing zone. This unique patented design greatly enhances your opportunity to become a leading logistical operations center. Users enjoy the added benefits of convenience and increased security, while eliminating multiple handling of goods, thus significantly reducing costs. In today's high-tech global environment, where margins are thinning and markets are shrinking, manufacturers are seeking ways to squeeze all inefficiency from the supply line. Integrating assembly and air cargo facilities via a sterile connecting conveyor system eliminates one expensive transport segment. The supply chain is shortened, labor and fuel costs are reduced, as are the risks of breakage and pilferage. At the Global Air Logistics Park, basic materials or pre-manufactured components arrive by airplane or truck. All cars and trucks go through one secured checkpoint, and all persons are screened when entering the office building area. Air cargo is also screened to ensure the utmost security. All screening is done according to the United States Transportation Security Authority and the International Air Transport Association requirements. Within the next few years, all goods that fly will have to be completely secure, going through much the same screening process as people do now. Once the parts for such products are offloaded and screened, they are transferred to the manufacturing facility through the secure overhead or underground conveyor system. After the products are manufactured, they are packaged and barcoded so that they can be tracked anywhere in the world. The boxes are then palletized for shipment. This vertical conveyor handles the pallets and puts them into position as they head back to the air cargo facility. This is all computerized, so the computer knows where a certain pallet is stored so that it can be loaded on the correct flight and placed in the aircraft in the correct position. The pallet is built up according to the weight and configuration of the aircraft. The pallets are then taken airside to another handling system that holds them until the aircraft arrives for more efficient loading. The entire facility is enhanced by the computerized information linkage between the handling systems contained in each area. Manufacturers can better track the status of their shipments and schedule their activities accordingly. Improved on-time delivery and lean manufacturing with no inventory storage are two of the immediate benefits. Other benefits include fewer errors in the delivery cycle, less damage to sub-assemblies and finished products, reduced handling costs, controlled flow of goods, achievement of a higher quality service, optimized transport security between all facilities, and the ability to create this space with carbon-neutral architecture. Consolidating the activities of manufacturers, freight forwarders, and air cargo shippers under one roof will guarantee the most efficient and cost-effective shipment of product to the marketplace. Today, Airis is the world's largest private developer of aviation and airport facilities. Collectively, the principals of Airis represent more than 50 years of experience in the fields of finance, architecture, engineering, construction, and marketing. With the support of its team, Airis has virtually unlimited access to capital for qualified projects. Airis has offices in Atlanta, Houston, Helsinki, Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, and Stockholm, with plans to open new offices in Bogota and the UAE. Let Airis partner with you today to create a better tomorrow.